Okay, how about this is the airdrop? How about this is the airdrop game?
Ten.
We just find a car and then we just like chill. Don't even do anything. Okay, how about this? We loot. Then the moment we hit the plane, right, we straight away go into our cars and start driving out.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go and find cars now. Can I go up? Airdrop game, yeah, airdrop. I want both of us to have guineas. Not one, but 2 guineas. The whole squad in guineas, right? Wait, you wanna go down there or you wanna go up? Yes,
No, I'm just floating along the road. See, I can find a car.
I don't see any cars there. Okay, one squad going to the top 2 red houses there. Wanna go to this barn first? These houses?
Can.
No, actually not the barn. I see this green shit. This brown. The 4 brown houses.
The 4, alright. Okay, can.
Need to find a car. The moment I wanna go on the first one, fuck it. But then again, need some luck, seriously.
Okay, you look up. I saw a buggy.
Okay, you take the buggy over.
Yeah. I need to U-turn a bit for the buggy.
Lame.
Cause my laptop the view distance quite jalan.
No, my one also like that. I put to what? Low, very low. Fuck it, I don't need so high. Then. Can't I T8 some more, sia? Or should we play sniper again like that time?
Never mind.
So that time you all play sniper, so didn't even fucking use sniper rifle, bro.
I loot the barns first.
Look at the mouse. Shouldn't be anybody there, right?
Nope. You know when I'm like, someone here.
Lame, man.
The house got good shit.
Can't I T8 only, I got no scope. Alright, I got nothing here. Fuck me.
Oh, first plane come already.
Come here.
Yeah.
Go, see got the drop. I'm done looting this house already. I got nothing good, to be honest. Nothing good at all. Where's the green drop?
Fucking far away from us.
The green drop fucking far.
Yeah.
Where? Which direction?
Like northeast.
Northeast. Can't even see shit, you know.
Yeah, it's fucking. Yeah, it was like over the hills kind of shit.
Okay. Hey, there are 2 guys running down for me. They're running towards the barn area.
Shit, serious?
Yeah, no, but they're quite far. They're still on the hill, don't worry. They're still on the hill.
Okay.
They are running about 210. Can you see not? There's a fucking 2 people there running towards the rock there already.
Yeah. They're gonna get surprised. Just come to the barn,
Can hear not?
Can hear what?
Yeah, they shooting at me. Fuck.
They shoot at you, man.
Yeah, I had the car, the shot lah.
Oh, I
Shit.
saw one guy. 285.
The guy running right?
Yeah.
Nah, bit cheaper. He running straight.
The blue container, right here. That.
Oh my god. Running like that, bodoh. You shoot the guy at the barn, is it?
No, the one that's outside. His friend outside my house at the red color shit.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm talking though. I just been killing up.
At the red color.
Okay, you come to my house. I mean, you come to my window. Oh my god, you threw a frag.
Cannot. In the face a bit, brother. Oi.
What to throw frag?
Straight away. Boom. Got see not? Already scope in already.
That was quite funny, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I heard the door open.
The moment I already ready, you know that one. The moment, you thought he opened the door, then check. This not the warehouse. Already the camera already pan outwards already. Where's the friend?
The friend.
The
said the
like that, bodoh here, not even near, bodoh. Lim, not even near the kirim salam, bodoh this one. Wait, I got AK here, no? You got AK? You take AK this game, how about it?
Yeah.
I got M16 a bit only, but I got a car 98.
No, man. Then you take what? I use UMP.
Don't lah, fuck, don't be a chibai, bro. Just take the fucking AK. I got 100 rounds, I cannot pick up already. I wanna try the car 98 a bit lah. I take 60 rounds only lah, I give you the 100 rounds. You got 5.56 or not?
I got 30 already.
You take the AK or not? Thanks. Nah, I pass you the AC lah, 100 rounds lah.
Right.
Better take it lah. Like that, one of those two loot the whole entire 8 place, the entire fucking 8 houses for us, running down. That's seriously. Why?
I opened the door.
That's why.
Just stop.
Somehow I already scope in, no. It's not even like a hip fire shot. It's like scope in, no. We got people scope into shotgun, bro. like that, yeah. Actually, I got it on video. I can show you that.
I'll do it.
Yeah. Already scope in already, that thing. The more open, wow, the body straight away fly backwards.
Hey, come here. I got You using what gun?
It's Car 98 and the M16.
Come here.
Don't be lame, what? You use that, fuck?
I don't want.
What do you mean you don't want?
I don't want. I want them to know that I'm shooting them.
Don't be lame, this guy. Just a childish fuck, bro. I need to get a scope.
Okay, can we just chill here first? I want to eat my Pringles. I'm gonna chill on top first.
Fucking lame, what? There, bro. I need to see that replay later.
Yeah, it is good.
Straight away, fucking
Oh, people thought I was alone,
Huh?
Because
no, cannot be because I drove the motorbike. Then I entered the house.
Maybe he's an idiot
Yeah.
because he threw the frag. Then he saw me scurrying.
No, he shot you, right? That means I think he must know that you are injured, then you are healing or something like that.
He probably thought I damn low. Then want to be a player, throw frag in.
That's why.
Frag never kill. After that, I'm gonna rush him.
Open the door. See ya. Confirm that one. Confirm tak dapat mengucap already. Kena already. No, so fucking funny, no. The moment the door open, like the moment the door fully open, the hinge click, straight away. One shot the hit. So it was a double barrel. Double barrel already hit like a truck from like don't know how far. This one fucking point blank. This one. No, I'm very surprised the fucking helmet never go off. I thought I would see his hair. Okay, oh shit. I kinda want to see in his POV.
Actually, I need to watch that shit.
The friend probably dead already. Then he's like, hey, don't worry, I'm gonna go in. Time. Never mind.
Just play a shot, like, just play a short 5-second clip, never enter my house.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Crop a bit. This will happen if you don't.
Or like, you see like that, China tak beri salam.
That's right. No.
So fucking, yeah, for my angle, it was fucking lame though. Because, okay, I was to your right, so I was like this. Then I heard the door open, so I'm like, oh, I thought you rushing here or what? Then suddenly,
No, you should see from my mouth even more funny. The guy literally like that. Okay, like you are me. I open, he see me, they see the body fly backwards already. I can't
your
even
body
remember.
can fly.
No, I don't even know whether I was squatting or not. Was I like that?
No, you're not squatting.
I was standing up, right? Yeah. So imagine you open the door, then you see one fuck over there in front of you with this level 3 mask. Already scope into the fucking double barrel already.
Fucking nonsense, like that.
Straight away blow him back to find his fucking ancestor.
Probably he angry, because the friend never even make it in the house.
That's why. No. When you say blue, right? You know why I saw the guy? Okay, you see this brown. The brown. Take one shot. Okay, see this brown bags. Okay, the body, brown bags. You see? Then the grey cement. I thought he was there, because he was when I last saw he was there. Then I fucking run away. I think I can see later can see my recording. I saw the guy there. Then he was shooting at me. Then I was like, fuck.
The guy was at the furthest brown
continent, right?
Yeah,
The furthest right? Yeah.
He was like shooting like free, then I just tapped this guy. I just tapped the.
No, I don't know how the fuck he ended up there and did there. I only know I saw him at the brown sandbag. Pump me a bit. Actually, we see the skills, but we need to move on. Pump me a bit, then this thing I go inside. Then this thing I check dead already.
Okay. Actually, do you want to move or do you want to just camp here?
I don't mind but we kind of need scopes, I know.
Actually, quite true.
Yeah, we need some scope. Okay, we go get some scopes. Fuck it, never mind. I don't give a fuck already.
Okay, blue.
Can we go here first? We go yellow first and then we check.
Okay.
Slowly make our way down. Fuck it, seriously. Honestly, suppressor or no suppressor, I'm fine, to be honest. Since we already won like a couple of games, we just start firing at people. Like that, bodoh, Mr. Weak died. Okay, fucking lame. Loot all the way, not enough. Run all the way from there to the fucking green barn. Only to kena in the head with the shotgun. They even get to see what's in the house,
Right.
Here? Actually looks good, huh?
Yeah.
But a bit far over your car.
Yeah. Aku ni kena spray ni.
Two PKs here.
Oh my god, wait, come here. Come to me.
Why?
Come to me, look there now. Look where I'm looking. You wanna go or not?
Where? Oh fuck! Hey, go on.
Okay. Salah, I hear the shots already.
Oh, you take the UZ there.
No, fuck you already. No time already.
Think got people there. Oh my god, just here only.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck. M24 nothing son. You want take? You take. What the
Yeah, get a shot. Time.
Take.
Okay, let's go.
You took the M24 ni meh?
Wait, I shot the one. Come. I
Asal
don't.
dua, ya, dua.
Go, just try. No marker. No. I don't know where should we go.
Go back tau, yellow marker dia.
Okay.
What the fuck is this? Play for what? Indestructible what that thing?
UAZ.
Where? Is it just here?
Yeah, but you might get shot.
Okay, well. No, the thing sounds up the hill. Go back yellow.
Our house might have people already. When the yellow might have people already.
Why? Why would they have my people now?
They moved in while we went for the crate.
Time to find out lah, fuck. More cars here. Hey, you know the M24 man, M249.
No. Cause
that's a fucking machine gun
Yeah, I know, but if I'm using 5.56 then I take, but I don't want.
No, but it was 100, the 200 rounds there, I take already.
Yeah, I don't want.
You can take, I can give you, I got 300 plus rounds right now.
Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it, okay.
I just didn't feel like playing it.
Yeah, that's why. I also didn't really feel like playing the machine gun, bro. If it's a sniper rifle, wow, fuck, take bro, then.
No, I mean, okay, because right now I'm trying to keep a low profile in my room.
Yeah, right.
Since I already, if like it's like a early night game, just give me I will fucking spray the card.
Okay.
Okay, wait. I pass you this first.
Got more M24s here.
I pass you this first. Wait. What the fuck?
What's that?
Yeah.
What's that?
Bullet lah.
I got 300 rounds, oi. You cibai, I already said just now I got 300 rounds, you can take all this.
Fucking stack what? Dah.
That's why, I got 200 plus rounds, I took all.
Yeah, I want to play UMP.
Fuck you, bro.
I'm playing UMP.
Can you at least take the shit? Some shit.
Take what?
Okay, I dropped the gas can. I don't think we need gas can anymore, right?
Okay, I took the helmet.
Okay. I can't even take any more.
Okay lah. I'll take 65 and 6. In case need to change or what.
Okay, I go. King game, I thought what you wanna give me? You don't give a man more of what he already has.
Give you suppressor not enough.
Okay.
Even Chu did not fulfill his suppressor promise.
Sorry. Fucking lame, that one. Everybody saw fucking that pause. Such a lame boy, Go.
Big house
Okay lah. Should we check the house then? Okay, I go to big house. No, we need scope. Now the thing is that we need scope lah,
Wow.
Oh, that car, that T8 sound.
Yeah.
We need scope really. Fucking. Can we kill someone with scope? What the fuck?
You probably can lah, but
I mean, it's probably better trying to find scope by killing someone with the scope.
yeah. Confirm.
Nothing. What do I keep getting this vertical bullshit? Like that, what do the guy getting sprayed really?
Hey, M24.
That could have been the M24 enough. No, but you see this backpack, my backpack? It's different from the normal level 3 backpack.
Oh.
Apparently I heard. They say that the
got the
crate
design
got the design. The crate one is different. Just to identify a bit lame But that's what they happy bro, this kind of thing. They rather make different design level 3 backpacks than fix their fucking optimization, bro. We do the last house here. Fuck, where the hell?
Expect a lot of company. Beware of the shots.
Getting a bit near. Hey, if there's no scope soon, I might drop this shit already.
Got what?
Actually, I can just carry it lah. I don't give a fuck lah. No, the car 98 lah. I got no scope, nothing. I'm useless lah.
Just red dot that shit.
Lame lah, red dot that shit.
No, red dot second.
Fuck you bro.
Second.
Don't be lame.
But you cannot shoot very far lah.
Don't be lame.
Eh, shh.
Bigger. Hey, stop. Wait.
On our right.
Alright. Oh wait.
Yeah, I'm aiming the door first.
Where? Oh yeah. Literally at our house. Dead.
No, I missed. They know we're here.
Oh yeah, there. He try to shoot. I don't think you should stand there.
They're on the first floor.
Stand there still okay, but don't stand at the fucking stairs.
They're on the first floor. You know what I think we should do?
What?
See the circle. Fuck, okay. Go up. Fucking idiot. He went back down. Okay, go up the back door. Jump down. Take the car and jump. Oh, no.
I scared it's stuck Quite cramp please. But you see one guy only right?
They are both here lah. Two guys.
If you want can, I throw the flashbang down and we run.
Don't mind lah, seriously. And we just take the car and chow.
No, because the car is lumped up to the side of the road. Like you cannot go straight. Understand?
Okay, I got a stun grenade also. How? We throw both, then we chow.
Or you backstab them on the back.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I think. We just throw both. Then after that we run down on the first floor.
Can
Then they don't know we're there already.
Can lah. But actually they below no?
I throw first lah.
Go. Yeah? Go and sleep already.
One guy outside.
Yeah. Shit,
Coming.
No, can look the door.
No, you come inside.
Nice. He's sniping.
Got how many people, yeah?
This way.
Okay. You crawl towards the corner, the east corner.
On top here. I think I cannot snipe if I come here. Okay, coming.
How did I finally kill him?
No, the guy bleed out. Okay, bodoh. Okay, nice. Fucking idiot.
The body straight away disappeared.
That's why.
Hey, there's a sniper behind also.
Yeah, I got feeling right.
Fuck. Yeah. He was shooting our house though.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Wow, lucky sir.
Hey, this guy got 4 times scope.
Yes.
He's aware of this. Hey shit, the circle. Wow, fuck.
Oh fuck.
I threw the scope for you. I threw the scope for you. Chow.
Hey. I picking it up. Wait, what shit? Where's the other guy?
Below. The other guy below.
I don't see it. Fuck it, I run.
Where's the car?
Hey, run.
Okay.
Okay, that's quite nice. Right here. Still. Shit, man.
Wait. First aid. You got not?
Yeah. Go first. Cannot. What?
Again.
Okay, nice. Six got people no? You got first hit someone or not?
About one more.
Okay, should we heal up first?
Yeah.
Here?
I don't know, man.
Yeah. This is good.
Oh fuck! There's one tower got people.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Fuck, oh. Okay, he's gonna blow.
I got smoke.
Yeah. Let it blow. Let it blow. Go. Please don't
Oh
roll
my
back.
God.
No. Where are you? Why you run into there?
I'm dead.
Why you run into there?
I want to reach out.
Lame.
Yeah.
You throw the smoke there, fuck. Should just stay here lah, honestly. Sorry. Wow, lame or what?
Yeah, what using the car?
There's only one guy what? Wow. Lame lah. Yeah lah, you shouldn't have ran there lah. Lame, because you ran up. No, you ran up there. No, if you ran up there, then they can shoot you. The smoke doesn't cover you under there. What?